Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to backtest insider transaction scores that we got from FinHub. Please see my video on how to use this API. For this script, I'm going to load up all my FinHub functions contained in the script. So mainly we're just going to be calling in stock candles and insider sentiment. You will need your API key to use any of these functions. If you want clarification on how they calculate their scores, you can visit this link, which contains an article on how they calculate the monthly share purchase ratio. But in the backtest, we're going to keep things simple. We're going to backtest these stocks. If you want anything different, just assign your tickers here. And then we're going to get insider sentiment for all of the stocks. Once you run this block, it should return a table with the symbol, the year, the month, the change in insider transactions, and then their scores. Now for the backtest, we're going to use MSPRs that are equal to 100 or negative 100, which are the maximum and minimum scores. So we need to go ahead and subset this table, and we do that in line 28. So this should cut down the list to far fewer ones, and now we have a total of 41 entries. Now that we shrunk the table, we need to get monthly data for all of these symbols. So we're going to extract the unique symbols found in that table. We're going to pass them in and get stock candles from FinHub. And if it was clear of any errors, we're going to calculate the monthly returns and merge this into one table. So since I don't have that many stocks, this table shrunk by one ticker, and I believe that was Tesla, so we didn't get any extreme values on the scores for that company. So now that we have our monthly returns, we're going to add the monthly return 1 month after we get the negative or positive MSPRs. So we're going to iterate through each row, and depending on the year and the month, we're going to add another column here that'll show us the monthly return for the stock. And if this is a positive number, we're going to go long, and if it's negative, we're going to go short. To add those two columns, we're going to run that section from lines 50 to 70. And for RETs, we now see that we have the stock return the following month, and depending on the MSPRs, the last column returns the stock return depending if we're long or short. Alright, so now let's go ahead and group these returns by year and month. And in this next section, we see that we pass in our RETs table. We're going to group by year and month, and we're going to summarize the total return by the average trade return. Since there may be multiple signals in a given month, we're just going to take the average, assuming an equal weight portfolio. And if we plot those returns, we get our equity curve here. And in the very last line, we're going to group by symbol instead of year and month, and this will give us a better indication on which companies have a better return using this strategy. So in summary, I do not see any alpha for any of these stocks, as I'm pretty sure that buying and holding would outperform these returns. So this type of strategy may need some fine-tuning, and you'll have this script as a starter. And with that, guys, this concludes the video. I hope this was useful information. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.